In this video, I show you how to build a trellis for raspberry plants. Hi, I'm AJ and you're watching Woodified. To start, I'm ripping a 2x4 stud in half. You could skip this step and buy two 8-foot 2x2s, especially if you don't have a table saw to rip it in half. As you can see, my stud is a little warped and twisted. However, it will work just fine for this project. With the 2x4 ripped in half, I tried to cut them down to length, but my blade depth was not set deep enough. After a quick adjustment, I cut the 2x2s to 6 feet in length. Note that you could cut these with a handsaw if you didn't have a circular saw or a miter saw. Let's take this outside. I will be installing my trellis to my raised garden beds. Check the video card or a link in the description for how to build these raised garden beds. After measuring the center of the raised garden bed, I got 2 screws started in the bottom 2 to 6 inches of the support post. I screwed the bottom screw to the side of the raised garden bed, then checked to see if the post was straight. If you don't have it level, just eyeball it. For the wire, I'm using clothesline wire left over from installing my clothesline. If you don't have old clothesline wire lying around, you could order some on Amazon. I'll put an affiliate link in the description below. If you buy clothesline, or if you buy anything from Amazon, after clicking the link, you'll be supporting my channel. Using the Amazon link will not cost you any extra money. Once the posts are installed, measure and mark the hole locations for the wire cross supports. The recommended wire spacing for raspberry canes, according to my gardening book, was 75 centimeters, 1 meter, and 1.6 meters. That's 2.5 feet, 3 feet, 5.5 feet. I'm drilling the holes with a bit that's just a little bit larger than the wire. Once the holes for the wire are drilled, feed one end of your wire through the post and tie a knot to prevent the wire from pulling out the hole. Then thread your wire through the holes so you end up with 3 horizontal wires. I wrapped the end around the post and tied off the wire. While I'm threading my second raised garden bed trellis, why don't you go ahead and click that like button. You'll be helping support my channel. With the cross wires secured, I cut some string to tie up the raspberry canes. I will be using gloves next time, as I got those little thorns stuck in my hand and my lip. Yes, in my lip. When it stabbed my finger, I let go of that raspberry cane and it smacked me in the face. I had a little thorn in my lip for like 2 days. I couldn't get it out. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell notification button so you don't miss any of my instructional videos.